The mistake people make, treating speech translation like a request and response call. It is not. Azure AI Speech Translation is an event-driven audio stream. You wire callbacks, then audio flows in continuously. This is for engineers building live captions or voice agents. One number to anchor you. Partial results land in roughly 200 to 300 milliseconds. 3 things decide whether your pipeline works in production. First, the TranslationRecognizer object and how it streams. Second, the difference between recognizing and recognized events. Third, the production gotchas around audio format and throttling. That last one bites almost everyone. I'll show the default that silently corrupts your audio. Picture a long-lived recognizer holding an open connection. You feed it raw audio chunks. Inside, 3 stages run: speech to text, text translation, and optional speech synthesis. Each stage emits events as it finishes. You never poll. You register handlers and calls start continuous recognition. The recognizer pushes results to you until you stop it. Here is the minimum that matters. You build a speech translation config with your key and region. Set the source language and add 1 or more target languages. Then construct the translation recognizer. Notice you can add several targets at once. Azure translates into all of them from a single audio stream. No extra calls. This distinction is the heart of the pipeline. The recognizing event fires with unstable partial text as words arrive. The recognized event fires once a phrase is final and stable. Use recognizing to paint live captions. Use recognize to store the committed translation. Mixing these up means flickering text or laggy output. Pick the right event per use case. Now the part that bites. If you feed a push stream, the default expects 16 kHz, 16-bit, mono PCM. Send anything else and you get garbage or silence, no error. Set an explicit audio stream format. Second gotcha. Continuous language detection adds latency, so only enable it when you truly need it. Third, watch concurrency limits per resource and back off on throttling. In a real system, the recognizer rarely stands alone. Audio arrives over a WebSocket from a browser client. Your service forwards chunks to the speech resource. Final translations flow to storage or a message bus for downstream consumers. Keep the recognizer alive per session, not per request, to avoid reconnect overhead on every utterance. Speech translation is a streaming engine, so register events and keep the recognizer alive. Use recognizing for live captions and recognized for committed text. Match the audio format exactly, or you debug silence for hours. Add multiple target languages from one stream for free. Pricing and language support change, so check the current Azure docs before you ship. Clone the starter repo in the description and stream your first translation today. If this helped, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.